Python lists are dynamic arrays that can store elements of different data types. You can create lists using square brackets, access elements with indices, modify them by assigning new values, and slice them to extract sublists. Mastering these operations is crucial for efficient data manipulation and analysis in Python. Lists are fundamental in Python for data manipulation, enabling efficient storage and organization of information. This chapter will delve into the essential features and functionalities that make lists a cornerstone of Python programming. A list in Python is a dynamic, ordered collection that can expand or contract during execution. It supports mixed data types, allowing numbers, strings, objects, and even other lists within a single container. Lists are fully mutable, enabling changes, additions, or removals of elements without needing to create a new list. To create a list in Python, use square brackets to enclose elements. For example, planets, Ax, Ni, Mercury, Bats, Venus, Thats, Earth, Thats, Mars. Initializes a list with 4 elements. You can also start with an empty list using. This syntax allows for easy list creation and manipulation. Lists allow access to elements using indexing. Positive indexing starts at 0, so planets 0 returns Mercury. Negative indexing counts backward, with planets 1 yielding Mars. This flexibility in accessing elements is crucial for efficient data manipulation. Lists in Python are mutable, allowing in-place modification. For example, changing Mars to red planet in a list is straightforward. Planets 3 equals red planet. This flexibility contrasts with immutable types like strings or tuples, which cannot be altered once created. Python lists offer powerful methods for efficient data manipulation. One essential method is append, which adds an item to the end of a list. For example, adding Jupiter to Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars results in Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. This method is crucial for dynamically expanding lists. The append method in Python adds an item to the end of a list. For example, adding Jupiter to the list of planets results in Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. This method is essential for dynamically expanding lists without altering existing elements. The insert method allows you to add an element at a specific position in a list. For example, inserting Venus 2 at index 1 in the planets list shifts all subsequent elements to the right, resulting in Mercury, Venus 2, Venus, Earth, Mars. The pop method efficiently removes and returns an item from a list. By default, it removes the last element, as seen with Mars. Alternatively, specify an index to remove a specific item, like Earth. This dual functionality of removal and return is useful for managing list elements dynamically. The removeOp method deletes the first occurrence of a specified value from a list. For example, removing Venus the 2 from Mercury, Venus the 2, Venus, Earth, results in Mercury, Venus, Earth. Be cautious, as it raises a value error if the value isn't found. Always check existence with if value in list before removing. The clear method empties a list entirely, while index returns the position of the first occurrence of a specified value. The count method tallies how many times a value appears in the list. These methods enhance list manipulation, offering precise control over data handling. List slicing in Python is a powerful tool for extracting subsets of data. Using the syntax list, open bracket start colon, stop colon, step, close bracket, you can efficiently select specific elements without altering the original list. This method is non-destructive and offers flexibility, enabling you to extract anything from a single element to an entire list segment, enhancing code readability and efficiency. List slicing in Python uses the syntax list, open bracket, start colon, stop colon, step, close bracket to extract elements. It's non-destructive, creating a new list without altering the original. This allows flexible extraction from single elements to entire lists. For example, planets 1:4 yields Venus, Earth, Mars, extracting elements at indexes 1, 2, and 3. Slicing offers versatile ways to access list elements. Using planets, 3 retrieves the first 3 elements, defaulting the start to index 0. Planets 2 extracts from index 2 to the end. With planets 2, every second element is selected, demonstrating the power of the step parameter to skip elements efficiently. Negative indexing allows slicing from the end of a list. For example, planets-3-1 returns open bracket Earth comma Mars close bracket slicing from the third last to the second last element. Additionally, using a negative step, such as planets 1, reverses the list. This technique is particularly useful when the list length is unknown, enhancing flexibility in data manipulation. Slicing lists allows for efficient data extraction, as demonstrated by separating weekdays from a week. Using days 5 captures weekdays, while days 5 isolates the weekend. This technique enhances readability and efficiency, ideal for parsing schedules or analyzing datasets. Lists are a foundational data structure in Python, crucial for both simple scripts and complex applications. They allow for versatile operations like creation, modification, slicing, and manipulation. Mastering lists paves the way for advanced techniques such as comprehensions, nested structures, and functional programming, essential for writing elegant, efficient Python code. Creating a list with fruits like apple, banana, and cherry allows us to explore list methods. Append date, insert blueberry at index 1, and use pop to remove the last item. Remove banana and slice to get a subset. The final list is apple, blueberry, cherry, showcasing effective data management. To advance your Python skills, practice list manipulation regularly on platforms like LeetCode. Explore advanced topics such as nested lists and list comprehensions. Utilize quality resources like the official Python documentation and interactive platforms. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. Keep experimenting and happy coding.